Hi Intertubes. I just wanted to give you all a quick update on both the wide body 240Z, which is in Johor, getting mechanical and body work done, as well as the wide Series 1 240Z that is in KL here, getting mechanical work done before being sent to Johor. Reason why they are in two different states is because um, well, for those who are not familiar, Johor is 380 kilometers away from where I am here in KL. It's because the body shop that deals with 240Zs in Johor is down there, and I wanted to get the wide body car fixed first because it has less of a major body work repair that is required. The white series one requires a lot more involvement. So I have sent the white body car first, and it will also undergo mechanical restoration in Johor, and I will eventually be able to drive the car back here. So here are the two videos which you will see a very abrupt cut because I am not in Johor. I have actually my friend in Johor helping me provide me with updates, and he's doing the recording of the videos and actually sending the videos to me via WhatsApp, not knowing that I'm going to use it as YouTube material. So forgive me for not having the correct landscape and portrait format, and I hope you bear with me with the voiceover. It's going to be a voiceover recording. I will explain everything as we go along, and hopefully you guys enjoy this short video, a quick update of the two cars. It's been a month plus since the time I received them, and here are some of the updates that are available. Thanks. This is my wide body 1972 240Z, which has not started for over 7 years. And this is our first attempt to start the engine in its own power with the battery connected and direct power to the starter motor. Wait till the end and see the result for yourselves. I was surprised as to how easily this thing got going. It's the first time we're actually attempting to start the car after 7 years of being dormant. 5 years stuck in port, 2 years prior probably in the US, and yeah, very happy, very surprised. It performed very well. Okay, so now that the engine has started, we'll move on to bodywork, and this is how it looks underneath the white body. The fiberglass white body has been removed, front and back, and this is what the Americans has done. They've cut the front and rear fenders, they've riveted the fiberglass white body kit on, and then they put on a lot of putty. It was a very bad job done. A lot of rust under this. This is the fiberglass fender that was removed on the front. We're going to have to rebuild the front fender from where it is now. We're going to add on material and make it look like standard again. This is the only way to move forward because we cannot get second-hand parts or new parts for this car in Malaysia. We're restoring this car in Malaysia. There are not many of these cars in Malaysia, so we'll have to hand fabricate all the metal panels from scratch. Big task ahead. As you can see, they've also filled up with expandable foam in the bottom of the seal, and this is our fiberglass bonnet with a horrendously looking Dodge Viper type hood scoop and bulge. We're gonna be removing the engine soon. Radiator is out. Just waiting for the mechanic to have some free time to bring the engine out. Engine bay looks pretty clean from here. but yeah, VIN number looks all right. Everything's numbers matching at the moment with with the grant, with the paperwork. This all these hood scoops will be removed, and although it's a fiberglass bonnet, I will revert it back to original looking as possible. We have also a rear spoiler, a huge rear spoiler that's out of view. I'm sorry, here you go. That's probably the best view you can get out of it. And yeah, interior wise, very complete. We've got a nice steering wheel. All the meters are there. But this car is going to be converted to a right-hand drive. It's left-hand drive, as you all know, coming from America. All the meters are there. We can reuse all of those stuff as long as it works. Floorboards work solid. Now, mechanic is ready to remove the engine, so he has come over now, removing and disconnecting all the rods and throttle linkages, which is connecting the engine to the car, so that we can easily remove the engine from the car, as well as the gearbox, and leave the body here in the body shop. There you go, cutting and moving forward. Engine is out, all smiles, everyone's happy, came out very easily. Took only about half an hour to literally pull the engine from this engine bay. Very simple. Engine looks very clean. The headers are actually brand new, and spark plugs are also brand new. I was told that this engine by the seller was actually brand new, fully rebuilt. Slight rust in the underneath the battery tray, as well as the brake master pump, and but aside from that, all solid. We've got nice triple carburetors, and there are 40 series carburetors. Is a P30 block. So I know my editing skills sucks, but we're moving on to my 1971 Series 1 white color 240Z that's in another workshop, getting mechanical attention before I send it to the body shop. Anyway, I cannot send two cars to the body shop at the same time, and as they have to take their own cue after the white body 240Z is finished. Okay, so the 240Z is now in the air. You can see what's underneath. The rust is extensive. Scary, in fact, scary. Massive rusting underneath the floorboard. As expected, the entire car has got to be rebuilt with new sheet metal. But surprisingly, everything moves and turns smoothly. This is due to forklift. This is forklift damage. The front and back. That's how they move the car while in customs. No choice. What can we do? They've lost the keys to the car, so they cannot even move the car. As you can see, the carburetors have been removed. We're working on it. Engine will be started soon. This is the place where the aircon compressor resides. Has been removed as well. So working on it frantically. Hopefully we get it started very soon. She's got all her bones, but they may not be the best. We'll get it back to where it needs to be soon lah. Okay, so this is the end of the video. I hope you all enjoyed the updates on both cars, and I hope the voiceover was clear enough. And if you have any questions, feel free to PM me. Just drop message, comment, like, subscribe, and yeah, I hope I can continue to do more updates and move forward with the project. Very exciting times, and I hope you guys feel the same. Thank you for watching. Bye.